Is how to run Instagram ads for your service-based business with just your smartphone. For you to install this Meta Ads app on your smartphone, once you install it from your App Store or Play Store, open the app. You can see this account has spent over 3 million naira, right? And I have spent more than 5 million naira on Facebook ads in the past 3 months working with different businesses, right? So what I'm going to show you in this video is 100% practical, right? I'm not speaking from theory. So to create your ad, click on this plus icon here, right? This plus icon, click on plus, click on create a campaign. Now, for a service-based business, there's only two objectives you have a business with here, right? The first one is traffic, right? Because it's very cheap, and the second one is engagement. Sometimes I also use leads, right? Now, most times I normally say always use leads or sales, right, for conversion ads. That's fine for digital products, though, right? But when it comes to a service-based business, you want to reach as much people as possible and as cheap as possible, right? And from experience, traffic objective and this engagement objective works best, right? Then for digital, for physical product and digital product, this sales objective and lead objectives works best, right? So you want to make sure that you go for the objective that suits your business. So you can just go with this traffic objective, right, for service base. Name your campaign with whatever name you want to go with, right? Then this way you select your budget, right? You can go with 10,000 per day is okay, right? Now for digital products, you can test with as little as 2,000 naira per day, but here you want to reach as much people as possible, right? So now you can click on ad set, right? Come to the asset level. Then under conversion, click on conversion. Now, when you are running service-based business, you want to use only Instagram, right? Preferably use Instagram only, right? That's where you can get more quality people. That's why we're using traffic obsession, right? Now, on message destination, well, of course, when you select message destination, I want to select Instagram, right? You want to select Instagram. I want to turn off Messenger and WhatsApp, right? You are sending your leads straight to Instagram only, right? You can click on continue. Now, once you are through with that, come to schedule. I always schedule my ads to run the next day by 12 a.m. the following day. Right? Next thing is to come to your audience level. Click on audience. Now, this is where you do your targeting and all that. Now, depending on your business, if you want to just target only places like only Lagos, Abuja, and top cities, you can come here and do that. Or if you want to just target the whole of Nigeria, then you can leave that. And so let's just use Abuja as an example now. Let's say your business is just within only Abuja. Just select Abuja, click on OK, right? Click done, right? Then if you want to add Lagos, you can click here to add Lagos, Port Harcourt, and every other top cities, alright? So once that is done, you can click on continue, right? Click on continue. Then come to this audience part again, right? Now you're going to see this advantage plus audience. That's what we are using, right? That's what we are using. The only thing you need to do is to change the age, remove the age, and put 24. All right, put 24 as the minimum age. These are the people that can afford whatever you are offering, right? Now you don't need to put any. This detailed targeting interest. You don't need to put any detailed targeting interest here, right? Just leave it broad. Facebook AI is so smart now that they can find your ideal client for you, right? So that was how we basically do it. I've run different ads, and leaving it open broad gives best result as cheap as possible, right? So just click on continue. And this is where you pay much attention, right? When it comes to service business, I mean fumigation services, plumbing services, photography, catering, event planning, anything that has to do with service-based business. In fact, you get more quality people on Instagram, right? And Instagram DM is one of the best funnel you can use, right? So that you want to make sure that you optimize your Instagram funnel, put a good profile, put a good highlight and all that, right? You do, as a service provider, you don't want to joke with Instagram. You want to take your Instagram very, very serious, all right? Someone that is into e-com or that can get away with that, right? They don't need much of IG, but you service based, you need to take your IG very serious. If just at least just make sure it looks presentable so that you can use it to run ads, right? The truth is most people is going to come to your IG, observe your Instagram highlights, observe your Instagram post, pin post before they ever come to your DM. So you want to do that first before you even think of running ads to your Instagram, right? So once that is done on your placement, come to placement, right? Come to placement. Then on placement setting, you can click on the icon here. Select manual, right? Select manual placement. Now, the only thing we need here is Instagram, right? The only thing we need here is Instagram. Then this device, turn it off. You don't need it. Use only mobile, right? Use only mobile device. Then platforms, you turn off audiences, turn off Facebook, and you leave only Instagram, alright? Leave only Instagram, right? Now this video is strictly for service-based providers, alright? Now leave only Instagram. Once that is done, click on continue, click on next, alright? Now this is where you now edit your ad set, alright? This is identity. Which of your Instagram do you want to use, or your Facebook page you want to use to run ads to your Instagram, right? So that is basically how you can do that. If you are not connected to Instagram, you can connect your Instagram from your Facebook page, right? That is not what we are covering here today. So once you have done that, the next thing is to click on ad setup to set up your ad. Of course, you want to click on single image or videos. Then you cannot go back. Now then under add creative, click on add creative, click on single images or videos, right? So I'll just select an image from my page now, right? Let me just use this image as an example now, right? Then click on done. Right, so once you are done with that, this is where you can enter your primary text here, right? Hello, click here to learn more about our service. Sorry, just as an example. By the way, you want to make sure that you have written all this down, you have designed your flyers, get good videos and all that, alright? So you can now click on this way, you can preview your ad, right? This way you can preview your ad. Click on preview ad to preview your ad. Now one more thing, you can also use, apart from images, you can also use videos to run your ad, alright? You can also use videos to run my ad. So we need to make sure that you are following me, because in my next video I'm going to show you how you can run multiple ads, alright, so that you can determine best results, both using videos, images, and carousels, alright, and a lot more on how to get better results with your Facebook ads. So you want to make sure that you follow me now, and you want to make sure that you share this to who needs this too, right? So that they stop wasting money on ads and doing what needed to be done, right? After preview, I click on this publish, and you're good to go. But trust me, when you do this from your computer, you're going to have more control, right? But if you don't have the luxury of that right now, using this Meta Ads app is a good place to start, alright? I hope you find this video helpful. Share it to your friends struggling to run ads on Instagram, alright? And follow this page for more. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.